Hello and welcome to this course, Ultimate Ethical Hacking from Zero to Hero. In this course, we will take a closer look at the practice, including what is ethical hacking, why it is useful, and how you can learn ethical hacking. We will go through the ethical hacking process and the most industry standard 6-step process. We will talk about Linux basics, why Linux used for hacking, booting up the Linux and the Linux file system, and the basics of Linux command. We will handle the Linux CLI command line interface like a professional. We will be handling and using the netcat program and how to use it for listening, binding, all of that. And of course, we will go through the bash scripting to learn how to automate tasks. We will learn web application security essentials, how web application works. We will understand the HTTP and how it works. We will go into the DNS and how it works, and we will be understanding what are the OWASP top vulnerabilities. And finally, we will learn the most important web hacking tools. We will learn network essentials, OSI models, and the Wireshark, how to use the filters like a professional from the Wireshark. We will go deeply into Nmap port scanner and the latest techniques used by black hat hackers. We will learn Python essentials and fundamentals. We will practice that step by step by writing a practical security tool that we can use by ourselves. As a bonus and fun section, we will learn the way that Elliot from the most famous hacking TV show, Mr. Robot, how he could do the hacks and how to do it in real life. And also we will provide if the hack is real and what are the actual tools that being used. Now what are you waiting for? Enroll now. You will get a 30 days money back guarantee. Not to mention we will keep the course up to date with the latest technology and tools. I will see you there.